Ingredients in my hand. I'm the chef, got the plan. Slice and dice, hear the blade. Every dish I'm being made. I'm the GOAT in the kitchen, no one else.
Hi everybody, I am Adreannia Marie. I am the founder of Sandwich Go Seasonings. Today we have a special guest and treat. We have Adreannia, my little princess. So today we are just going to be doing like a quick mommy and me, learning how to make chicken tenders, quick and fly. We just came back for Sunday snack, and yeah, we're gonna get started in this kitchen. So we hope you enjoy, and let's get it started, babe.
Yep.
So we've already washed our hands, and we've already washed the chicken as well. Whoa, let's get it. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we have chicken tender right here. Since we have chicken, and usually I would do, well, I don't want to use tongs. So I like to actually marinate and touch my chicken. So we are going to make sure, since we're handling raw food, that safety is first. And then what you're gonna do is, so this is just when we're frying it. I just want it to cook all the way through. So I'm gonna let my princess do it. Great job, sweetie. Great job. Okay, so I think we're good with that. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna do that. Then I'm gonna actually put this over. Just do a little avocado oil over here.
Ingredients in my hand. I'm the chef, got the plan. Slice and dice, hear the blade. Every dish
And we are going to mix it up.
by myself. Every bite's a delight, can't deny. Taste my fire, got the skills, see me fly.
Because we are trying to do healthier, so I'm gonna actually get the flour.
From start to end, every plate I transcend. I'm the GOAT in the kitchen, no one else. Cooking flames, making flame by myself.
Ooh, this is gonna give it a different type of crisp and crunch that the kids are going to love. So we have this, and we're just gonna lightly pour it over like that. Our flour, we have to put the it's smack in. We are going to put lemon and spice is nice.
Ingredients in my hand. I'm the chef, got the plan. Slice and dice, hear the blade. Every dish I'm being made. I'm the GOAT in the kitchen, no one else. Cooking flames, making.
So I'm Adreannia Marie, the founder and CEO of Sandwich Go Seasonings. Sandwich Go Seasonings is a mission-based brand in which we really believe in giving back, educating the youth, as well as working on initiatives for global sustainability, so we can make sure that our earth and world is a healthy place for us to live. Aubrey, so what are your passions? And tell me something that you love to do.
So I grew up doing cheer, but my heart was designed to do dance more. So I love doing dance, and it's my passion, and I dream to be like a dancer.
Okay. So what is your favorite type of dance?
My favorite type of dance is majorette, hip hop, and jazz.
Okay.
I'm the GOAT in the kitchen, no one else. Cooking flames, making flame by myself. Every bite's a delight, can't deny. Taste my fire, got the skills, see me fly.
guys, I'm all finished. You see that? Nothing is wrong.
Hot flavors fly, seasoned up from the start to end. Every plate I transcend. I'm the goat in the kitchen, no one else. Cooking flames, making flame by myself. Every bite's a delight, can't deny. Taste my fire, got the skills, see me fly.
That is so good.
See that? Get some bread.
In the pot, flavors fly. Seasoned up from start to end. Every plate I transcend. I'm the goat in the kitchen, no one else. Cooking flames, making flame by myself. Every bite's a delight, can't deny. Taste my fire, got the skills, see me fly.
This year, guys, I actually gave up eating red meats, poultry, chicken. So what I'm gonna do when I'm cooking like this is strictly for my family and for my little ones. So Jojo, my son Jovan, is gonna stand in as the taster. So enjoy. It's too hot.
Okay.
I got it.
Joe, you gotta dip it in the sauce.
Oh.
Dip it good, guys. Yep.
Yeah, it's in there.
All right, y'all do a cheers. Aubrey, make sure you in the frame.
Cheers.
Every bite's a delight, can't deny. Taste my fire, got the skills, see me fly.
Next time.
It's real good.